Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this nice exponential equation. Why I say it is nice exponential equation, you can see all the bases are the same 3, and observe the exponents are in consecutive order: x, 2x, 3x. Alright, how can we find the value of x? And that's the main target, right? I would like to take all these 2 times to the right hand side and they will become negative. So we have 3 to the power of 3x to the right minus 3 to the power of 2x as it crosses over, then minus 3 to the power of x. This must be equal to 0. If you observe, all of these 3 times contain 3 to the power of x in common, so we can bring one out. We have 3 to the power of x outside. Inside this will reduce by 1. We have 3 to the power of 2x. The exponent here will reduce again. We have 3 to the power of x, and this will become 1. The whole of this equal to 0. What does this mean? It means that either this or this must be equal to 0. But we know that 3 to the power of x can never be equal to 0. No way. 3 to the power of x cannot be equal to 0. But this can be. Therefore, 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of 3 to the power of x because we can let u, for example, equal to 3 to the power of x, such that our equation becomes u squared minus u minus 1 equal to 0. So how can we find u? We can find u using the general formula. U is equal to minus b plus or minus into square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let us declare our variables. A is the leading coefficient, which is right here, is equal to 1. So we have a equal to 1. B is equal to negative 1 because it is the coefficient of the middle term, and c also equal to negative 1. So let's substitute them. Therefore u is equal to minus b, but b is already negative, so it becomes positive 1 plus or minus into square root of b squared negative 1 all squared minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is negative 1, divided by 2a, but a is 1. Let's simplify. U is equal to 1 plus or minus into the square root. We have negative 1 squared, which is equal to 1. We have minus and minus, that will give us plus. That is 1 plus 4, right? Which is equal to 5. Divide by 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So u could either be equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, or u equal to 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. But what is u? U is 3 to the power of x. And 3 to the power of x can neither be negative nor 0, right? We have seen that it cannot be equal to 0. But this term right here is definitely a negative number. Therefore, we are not going to consider this one as well. Rather, this. So since 3 to the power of x is equal to u, therefore 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. It cannot be equal to this one. So what will be the value of x? From definition of logarithm, remember, if you have log a base b equal to c, b raised to the power of c is equal to a. So if you apply the same thing here, you can see that x will be equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 with the base of 3. And hence this is just the solution to the problem. And if you like, you can use your calculator and simplify this log, and that will give us an approximated result. We have x approximately equal to 0.438, something like this in 3 decimal places. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.